Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove BVN from your Opay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now first open up your Opay app and then log into your account, and you will be on this home page. Now to find your BVN, simply click on Me section at the bottom right. Here, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on this Upgrade button at the bottom and you will see this type of page. Here, you will not see any option to remove or upgrade your BVN, and that has been the core issues for users. So the reason for this is that Opay is a financial app, and it does not allow you to remove your information from Opay. But if you still want to remove this, there are workarounds. There are two options which I suggest. The first one, head over to the Me section, then head over to these settings at the top right, then tap on Close Account. So now if you tap on Confirm here, this is going to close your account, and then you currently unable to log in as your account ID. Account will be cleared. Your ID, that means your BVN and your NIN, and everything, your transaction information will be cleared. So now, this is the way you just confirm and close your account. Your ID, your BVN will be removed from this platform, so you will no longer be in your Opay account. So that is just the way you can do this. Another way is to reach out customer support of Opay and tell them that you want to remove BVN from your account, and if possible, they will respond you soon. So that's basically how you can remove BVN from your Opay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.